So this video can double as somebody who wants to remove GM U-joints that they don't have circlips that go right in here. They actually have nylon injected stuff. I've seen this. I'm sure more than a few YouTube videos on it, but to get this out, instead of doing the normal, which would be taking clips out of this area and then pounding it out, you have to melt this stuff out. It will actually come out of here like a little snake when it gets hot enough. The reason for this is that to work with the drive shaft adapter, you actually move to this 3150 U-joint. That is the part number that I got. I just ordered this offline, Napa branded, but also SKF. And then that's going to bolt into, I'll show it later, but it's going to bolt in to the drive shaft adapter. So here we go with this part. I did see somebody who had eye protection issues due to some of these things blowing, so wear eye protection. So now I'm going to let this cool down. There's a couple ways of doing this. How I've seen it is people use a hammer and a big socket. I have a little press over there. I don't use it for much, but since I actually have it, I might use it for this. Okay, so you can use a press for this if you have one. I do have one, but I'm not very good at using it, to be honest with you. So what you need to do is you need to find a socket that's big enough that will go over the collar of this. You put that underneath to support one side. Just have to pound this. Get the other cap out. And it'll all come out. So that's that part. So in here there's some ridges you want to clean out because the other type is going to. So what you want to do is get a screwdriver that's going to go into this circle. Get all this grime, in this case leftover nylon crap, out of there. Might heat that up a little, get that out. In fact, in this instance, almost all that nylon stuff, so. joke. There we go. Nice big piece. Looks like this. Okay, so I was an idiot, or have no experience, one of the two, and thought you used that to put it in that groove that was up here. It turns out these, probably because they're bigger, have a groove on the inside, and they come with this. So I will actually be putting this in here, and then tapping this one back a little bit, and then it'll be good. Hopefully. Of course, this will be way more difficult than I need it to be. Or not. So, it's right in there, and it keeps it from falling out. And we'll tap this one backwards. Tap, I mean hammer the shit out of it. Opens that up. Enough. And there you have it. So that is the new U-joint put in there. Okay, so here's what makes this work to bolt into the Lexus with just a normal, well, in this case, F-body drive shaft. And then you have this, you have to get a spicer. There's the part number. And then that has a nice little stepped lip. That has a stepped lip. So it locks in there nice. So it's not just relying on the bolts. 4 bolts. And then these are going to go into the Lexus. Clean this drive shaft up and spray it with some Hammerite, which will deal with the rust for pretty much ever, make it look a little nicer. So the nice stuff about Hammerite, or in this case Rust-Oleum's hammered surface, is it actually likes a little bit of rust. So I'm pretty much just going to use this green pad to scuff it up a little bit, clean it off with a little brake cleaner, and then we're going to shoot it. Okay, so drive shaft's drying. This is what a stock LS400 diff, I'm surely sure, with the SC and probably Supra, etc. It's got the center pin here, and that goes right on there. They drill this for 6. I do not know why, because you're not going to use it with 6, but whatever. I guess it's lighter if nothing else. Comes with these Allen head. Comes with these nylock. Also comes with lock washers. I don't think I need lock washers and nylocks. I'm probably going to bail on that, but bolts that to there first, so we'll do that. Let's be smart. Drive shaft. Me struggling to get this flying in stupidly. So there you go. It's the spacer. It's bolted up. It's attached to the transmission, and it's one more step down.